Hello friends, welcome to the course of Marketing Management. In the unit number 1 Introduction to Marketing, today we are going to discuss core concepts of marketing. I am Dr. Vinod Malkar, Professor of Marketing. Core concepts of marketing includes need, want and demands, leads to marketing offers by identifying need, want. The marketer will offer products and services or experiences. Then it leads to value and satisfactions from customer end, and that will be happen with exchange, transactions and relationships. These all are the things done at market, that is marketplace, and these are nothing but the revolving cycle, and this has been shown with core concepts of marketing. Moving ahead in detail way, what exactly need, want and demand is. This is, every marketer will should identify the need. Identification of need or creation of need. It's again in the debatable. But every marketer should identify need of the customer. The need in terms of like the basic need, food, shelter, clothes. Uh, Apart from this, to satisfy these needs, customer want, but wants will be backed with the demand. For an example, you are thirsty, so your need is water. Your need is water, but you want Bisleri, you want Coke, you want Pepsi. If you have no money in your pocket, the demand for these kinds of Bisleri or Coke or Pepsi will not get created. So need can be satisfied with the help of simple water from the storage. But there is a good amount of money in your pocket and the shop is near to you, then you can very easily buy Bisleri or Coke or something. And that's why this way the demand of the products get created. You are hungry and you need a food, but you want might be McDonald's pizza, McDonald's burger, then Domino's pizza or something else. So want, which is backed with again the spending power or the amount in your pocket, and hence that will create the demand for that particular product. So the basic philosophies of marketing, as concepts of marketing, we should understand this philosophy that needs, wants and demand is the basics comes under these core concepts of marketing. So by understanding of what the customer needs, what the customer wants, and how we can generate the demand for the product, which leads to marketing offers. Marketing offers mean the manufacturer or the marketer offering to the product to the market that products or goods or services or informations or experiences that satisfy need and want. So that might be anything that can be offered to the market to satisfy need and want, that we call it as a product. So which includes services, which includes activities, which includes people, which include places, which includes information or ideas. So marketing offer which includes products and services and experiences. Like us, we are also selling our services. This is also, we can say, a product. We have created a course of marketing management. So that creation is also one of the product that we had offered to you people. Moving ahead, after all, we have to take care of value and satisfaction, value for money. So whenever the products that we have made, it looks like an value for money, and the customers form expectations regarding value. So there are certain mindset of the customer, and they had already knowing what exactly the value for their product. So whatever amount they had spent, they should feel that it is a worthwhile of that much of rupees. So marketer must deliver value to the consumers. After all, it is very important to get the satisfactions with your products. So marketing, we always tell it's identification of need, process of identification of need to the satisfaction of need. A satisfied customer will buy again and again and tell others also. He becomes an advocate of your product and about their goods and experience. Generally in India, the end of on every Friday there is a release of movie, and generally when a person watch a movie comes out of theater, um, then he give the feedback of the movie. Yeah, paisa vasool, like that. It means an value for money. And if he is happy with watching that movie, he always telling his friend the movie was fantastic. So this is nothing but value satisfaction. If we satisfy or we delight or we bring a wow experience on the consumer face, so that automatically that consumer will tell others about their good experience, and the publicity or advertisement of and products it get automatically. Then the exchange transactions and relationships. So exchange, the act of obtaining a desired object from a someone by offering something in return. So we had in the evolution of marketing, we learn how the barter system in the old days was used to exchange the products by offering goods, exchange of goods. Nowadays, the exchange can be done with the help of money. So one exchange is not the goal of relationships, with several exchanges are the goal, and every marketer is expecting repeat purchase of the product, and that's why he wants to satisfy the customer. That's why he has to make a good relationships with the customer. Relationships are built through delivering value and satisfaction. And the market, actually the market is actual and potential buyers of a product. A place where buyers and seller, marketplace is a place where buyers and sellers come together. So marketers seek buyers that are profitable. So these are the core concepts of marketing, which includes need, wants, and demand. Marketing offers includes product, services, and experiences. Value and satisfaction. Exchange, transactions, and relationships. And the last one is a market. Thank you for watching the video. Please subscribe our channel SK for getting an new updated videos in the area of marketing.